Hi folks, and welcome to Classic Crepes at Arnotts on Henry Street. We're all very excited about Pancake Tuesday. The difference between crepes and pancakes are crepes are a very thin, crispy pancake. So you won't get a risen pancake like this when you're trying to make a crepe. There's no baking powder in it. First thing we do is the crepe plates are made up of loads of cylindrical circles like the inside of a tree. So we got to put some oil on them. A bit like your pan at home, if you don't put the oil on these, your crepe or your pancake will stick to that. The first crepe that we're going to make today is strawberry and Nutella with some nice icing sugar. So you get the nice colours of red and brown and white. Let's get cracking. Here we have the batter. That's nice fresh batter. I'm going to use the steel spreader here, which is one of my favourites. And you're just going around and trying to spread that in a nice circle all the way around. You get a nice steam there. I like blowing that out onto Henry Street. The punters of Dublin get nice smells. So what we're doing here now, I'm just going around the edge with my spatula to make sure that the crepe hasn't stuck to the plate. You've got to relax. When I was training in France with a madame, she was in her 60s, early 70s, we spent a week there, amazing experience. She was saying that like you could be working off 3 or 4 crepe plates, you got to relax. And my analogy is like Pinocchio, you got to relax like your hands like Pinocchio, and you can spread it nice and gently. So here we go, this is ready to turn. So I like to take it off like this and lay it down gently like that. So you're rolling off, rolling on. We got our fresh, beautifully cut Irish strawberries. What I do when I'm making the crepes is I put all the ingredients around the edge and then I form a triangle. Why? Because when you're folding this up, it comes into the shape of a triangle, and we want the first bite always to be what you ordered. So the first bite I want people to experience, and the first taste I want them to experience, is fresh strawberries, Nutella and icing sugar. I'll get the Nutella there if I may. Here we got the contrast of the nice Nutella. Again, you don't want too much of any one ingredient as it overpowers. There's a nice bit of Nutella. We go back this way. We're going to get some icing sugar now. These are very easy to make. Once you've mastered that bit at home where you've turned your pancake, all you're doing is you're decorating it in whatever manner or form, whatever ingredients you have in the fridge. It can be sweet or savoury. We've got our crepe, going to bring it over. Again, it's a little bit brown, that's fine. Extra bit of Nutella going on there. Now, over to the edge, in the crepe goes. Going to add a bit of cream here. Oh, there we go. Nice, put a nice little strawberry in on top of that. On Pancake Tuesday, you got a beautiful fresh strawberry, Nutella and cream crepe.